Ever bought a Tide card only to be left scratching your head wondering how to get it up and running? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to break down the simple steps to activate your Tide card. Before we dive into the activation process, let's talk about why you might want a Tide card. Tide is a digital banking platform that offers a range of features, including free international transfers, send money to friends and family abroad without hefty fees. No monthly fees, enjoy banking without the usual costs. Virtual and physical cards, choose the card that suits your needs. Easy budgeting, track your spending and set financial goals. Now that you know a little about Tide, let's get to the main event, activating your card. Step-by-step activation. Step 1. Download the Tide app. The first step is to download the Tide app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, create an account using your email address and a strong password. Step 2. Verify your identity. To ensure security, you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves providing a photo of your ID and taking a selfie. Step 3. Add your card details. After verifying your identity, you'll be prompted to add your Tide card details. This information should be on the card itself. Step 4. Activate your card. Once you've added your card details, you'll be able to activate it. This process is usually as simple as tapping a button in the app. Troubleshooting. Sometimes, the activation process might not go smoothly. Here are a few common issues and their solutions. Incorrect card details. Double-check that you've entered your card details correctly. Network issues. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Technical difficulties. If you're still having trouble, contact Tide's customer support. Set a PIN. Once your card is activated, you'll need to set a PIN for security purposes. Add funds. Before you can start using your card, you'll need to add funds to your Tide account. Explore Tide's features. Take some time to explore the various features that Tide offers. Activating your Tide card is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. With Tide, you can enjoy convenient and affordable banking. Have you activated your Tide card yet? If not, what are you waiting for? Download the app today and start experiencing the benefits of digital banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.